Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Rehan Wazir and I am a student of Rehan High School Islamabad, the Fed Foundation Law student. So today my second TEDx talk. My topic is my topic is today I am going to review the TEDx talk Flying I Must by Afreen Mushtaq. This talk is very inspiring and emotional because it teaches us how courage, dreams, and hard work can change a person's life. I think Afreen Mushtaq shares her personal journey and the struggle she faced in her life. She explained that many people are stopped by fears, society, or difficult situation, but if we truly believe in our, ourselves, we can still move forward. The title Fly I Must gives a strong message that no matter how hard life becomes, we should never stop trying to achieve our goals. One one thing I like most about this talk in the confidence of the speaker. She speaks with honesty and emotion, which make the evidence feel connected to her story. Her words motivate young people to stay strong and never give up on their dreams. She also explained that failures are not the end of life. Instead, failures help us learn and become stronger. Another important lesson from in this TEDx talk is that education and self-belief are very powerful. A friend encourage everyone, especially students, to believe in their abilities and continue working hard even when people doubt them. She teaches us that success does not come easily, but with patience and determination, anything is possible. That also highlights the importance of hope. Sometimes life becomes difficult and we feel like quitting, but hope quite the strength to continue. Offering journey is a perfect example that challenges can make us stronger and wiser. In my opinion, this TEDx talk is very meaningful for young students because it inspires us to dream big and stay positive. It teaches us to fight for our goals and never let fear control your future. In conclusion, Fly I Must in is not just a speech, it is a message of courage, confidence, and determination. After watching this talk, I learned that if we truly want to fly in life, we must believe in ourselves and never stopping trying. Thank you for watching my this TEDx talk, second TEDx talk. And so, thank you so much, Pakistan Zindabad.